This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the LD Micro Main Event 2013 at the Lux Hotel in Bel Air, California. I have with me Mr. Michael Oliver, SpectraScience, symbol SCIE. Michael, welcome back to SNNLive.
Well, thank you very much, and thank you for having us, Shelley.
It's good to see you. Let's get an overview, little story about the company first, and then I got some new questions for you.
Okay, great. Well, SpectraScience is a biophotonics company, and what that means is that we use light to be able to detect and diagnose cancers, and actually pre-cancers.
Non-invasively.
Yes, you're absolutely correct. We do it non-invasively. We don't require the patient to have tissue excised, and so it can be done in real time in vivo. In other words, while the tissue is still in the patient, and it takes about 1 second to get the answer.
I didn't mean to lead you on, but I know that that's an important element in the cancer world.
It is indeed a very important element, and it's part of why we're being so well received in Europe at the moment. We're in the process of doing a multi-center study that will be our marketing evaluation, that will really be the kind of glue that cements this as a standard of care in Europe.
So let's talk more about the size of the sectorized markets in the medical and pharma world.
Well, our first indication is for colorectal cancer screening. In the United States and Europe, that's about $1.5 billion market. Again, assuming everybody were using our product.
The bottom line is, there's a lot of things going on in that area to eliminate the cost of the regular colonoscopy. How do you figure into that maze?
Well, we do three things, and we do three things very well. The first thing we do is we eliminate unnecessary procedures for the patient, so we enhance patient safety. Secondly, we provide an answer very quickly, so for the physician or the clinician, the gastroenterologist, the procedure actually goes faster. And last but not least, yes, we have compelling economics. We are much less expensive than traditional pathology.
Is it reimbursable when the opportunity comes?
In the United States, we're still securing reimbursement, but again, in Europe, we're looking at capitated systems where there's a single payer. In the U.S., where there are capitated systems like Kaiser Permanente and many of the major HMOs, the same thing would be the case.
So you are exactly, my opinion, what Obamacare is looking for.
Well, we can't make their website work any faster, but yes, we'd like to think that we're part of the solution rather than part of the problem.
Had you been a software company, I bet you could, but we won't go there. What does 2014 look like to you?
2014 is going to be a really interesting year for us because by the end of first quarter 2014, we will have the data evaluated from our multi-site center. So we'll be able to begin using that in our marketing efforts in Europe. We'll begin to have countries in Europe that will accept and begin to reimburse or make as the standard of care our product. So we anticipate that will really unleash sales for us at that time.
Now, Michael, what's your background?
My background is an executive who's got more than 30 years of experience in the medical device world. This is the fifth turnaround with which I've been associated, by far the smallest and the earliest stage. But I'm a turnaround and professional medical device guy.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get a website.
www.spectrascience.com.
Spell it.
SpectraScience, one word.
I'm glad I saved the toughest question to last. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Oliver, SpectraScience, publicly traded company. The symbol is SCIE. We're at the LD Micro Main Event 2013 at the Lux Hotel in Bel Air, California. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. Michael, thanks.
Thank you, Shelley. It's always a pleasure.
Good to see you.